Hello, it's Mikhail. I hope you're well. In today's new video, I'm going to present to you a complete bundle pack for less than 500 euros prepared by me. It's called Mix Pack. Here we go. Let's go. First, you can find this pack, which is presented in this video, in the link below in the description. The price is at the lowest possible. I tried to negotiate the best prices for you. Real quick, I want to tell you that the grow room is at the lowest price. This is so you can have better and more performing elements on the rest of the pack. First product, it's a box from Secret Garden. It's the Hydroshoot 60. It measures 60 by 60 by 160 centimeters, and it has 70D mylar coating, which will allow it to offer 95% light reflection. It's easy to install and assemble. Second product, the lighting. Here we have a Rhino 130 Pro. It is totally adapted to this kind of box. It has Samsung LM3018 LEDs of the last generation, and in addition to that, it has the complete spectrum with infrared, ultraviolet, and additional LEDs for the bloom. You can't get much better than that. And it has a dimmer. It's perfect. After the lighting, it's time for the extraction system. Here we took a PK125 from Prima Klima in 2 speeds. Why? So that you have the comfort to manage your growing space quietly. With that, we combine a phonics sheath. Why a phonics sheath? Because compared to a normal sheath, you will reduce by 50% the noise nuisance. And in addition to that, we have added 2 clamps to connect your duct to your extractor. Now we have come to the cultivation side. What you will find here, you will find a 50-liter bag of BioBiz light mix potting soil, which will be more than enough for your cultivation. Then you'll have the 11-liter textile pots. You'll have 4 of them. Why textile and not plastic? Because your root system will be denser in a textile pot, and in addition to that, the plant will grow much better. What do you need to boost this? You need fertilizer. And we have added a pack of fertilizer from BioBiz. It's the BioBiz Indoor. There are 3 products inside: the BioBloom, the BioGrow, which are fertilizers for the growth and flowering of your plants, and you will have a Top Max, which will be a stimulant for the flowering. And the last product, the mechanical program. It will allow you to manage the lighting cycles, and in addition to that, we made a video on this product. I put a link in the description. I hope this video and this pack have interested you. We tried to take the challenge to make a complete and high quality pack for less than 500 euros. If you want to, you can always add additional products to this pack. Make sure to come back, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to use the blue thumb, leave a comment, and activate the bell. This was Mikhail. Ciao.